Ah, Peoples, what are you doing inside my tumble dryer? What are you doing? Let's take the camera out and have a look. That's right, it's a tumble dryer, and today we're going to have a bit of fun with it. We're going to be throwing in random things, putting it on the Fungi-Puggery unit, and see what we can do with it. Right, so when you turn it on, it doesn't do anything. When you turn it off, close the door and turn it on, the dryer starts going. But let's have a little bit of fun. Because when you close the door, that pin goes into the safety interlock, and that activates the tumble dryer. Because when you turn it on with the door open, it doesn't do anything. But obviously when you turn it off, close the door and turn it on, the dryer starts running. But like when I open the door, the dryer stops. So we need something to bypass the tumble dryer. Let's try the end of a key. Hang on, wait. Let's try the end of a key. I'll turn that off. Let's put that in there. That'll work. Yep, the dryer's running with the door open. Let's see what we can give it. Cheese and onion flavour. Go get 'em. Dosing cup. Tic Tacs. Go and get them. A lollipop. Do you want it? Go and get it. Put that on low heat actually. I want that on low heat. And some wipes. Receipt. And finally, the bag itself. Ooh, come on, have it. Go on, have it. Come on, have it. That's on low heat, so you don't want them getting too hot in there. So that's what we've got in the drum. How about we put this tumble dryer on the Fungi-Puggery unit? So we're going to ballast it with a 2 kilowatt fan heater, a 150 watt light bulb, and 150 watt, and 100 watt actually. That's 115, that's 100. Right, I'll just unplug the tumble dryer. See, look, that's the plug for the dryer. And we want to plug it into the Fungi-Puggery unit. See, I'll just get that wire. We're going to plug it into the Fungi-Puggery unit. Sorry about this, peoples. There, that's the dryer plugged in the Fungi-Puggery unit. So I have 2 lamp holders and a fan heater. So turn that on. That's off, and that's off, and I think that's off. There, so that's our switches on. So here we go. Don't know why the camera's not focusing. It's just an iPod. Right, to turn it on. It is turned on. Hang on, I'll start again and then I'll get this video sorted.